It's an amazing place, that practice thing, because it's a walled city.
Yeah.
All the way around it, yeah.
We went past on the motorway and you
That's
could see
right,
the city
yeah,
walls.
you can see the city walls, yeah.
Well, mar mai agus go mai yet. Tá manras an bhí an seo an smanan for yet a how. Nach insiú doing began mush culture vannin, culture vannin as cretáisiú ginu.
Well, tá Culture Vannin an Jane Railtis und Mannen as tá sin biseach as póldal cultúr, so Chinya, ceolaíocht, rinche, letteracht, ramsdú Shanachus Nunes, as tá just céidean an seo, Jinu ram over to Charles Gard, Jinu film, as Stu Michel, as tá sin clá leoran, as tá sin to Chloe Woolley, Jinu an over that sin ceol ag a tretón, as tí gin sig a ram céadlanan ag a scoil, as slais tá sin rec a féilichan na níos, as to Adrian Kane and Shane and Grainide as te Grainicha a Chinya ein so te Grainicha a Gaelg. So te sin olia govracha Acadius on a culture once man.
Gaelg as Kjol is
as film just you know recordison a film as Corden and Sheehan Jay and Vay on Smanin as an ash to Ruthen Caclair. So to just ram over and as a Shanachus Ninias to ram Lior and Ben Rish and Shanachus for Claritek. Under this Irish fan and Shannon Shan Enum son the Colloch show.
Because Cren Lorachan very unish. Lorachan no.
Crenro and Noah to Shin Clow. Well to Shin a Clow Ram McCown a Chinya so to Adrian Clow Virgin to Chris Lewin McCown and Skeelan as Cushion Benbrish Neddy Beckham Rai so to Shen Noah as son Nascoilan to Mia Screw Rubnach and sit Fedden Moor a Shen son and Fedden to Golgol Shen son Nascoilan as tad Ginsige as tad Ginsige the Chullia Fetcher as to Shin Ginu Image to Kyo Traditionach so Shen Rubnach as to Chloe Govracha Rubnach son Brian Cioli Prash so Shen Rubnach Ella as to Charles Govracha Film Nagare Unjow McKeown Day in the Life of a Politician as Ferrara McKeown and Cargamua so so Shen and Cans will be
Stage Culture Vannin Govracha in an Ettervogel or a Gavin take in the Socha and over the arrange
to Vimeo, YouTube, Facebook, as Twitter, as to put the in it an egger, and yes, so to learn Manx.com, as manxmusic.com, as culturevannin.im, as tad nun in an egger. So a shen scan show touching really the Chullia fire, but just Jeekin air is geiste chrish is fedden mach na ceann a culture an alien.
Van manna déine ginsacha Gaelg nish.
Te.
Te.
Gunaris. Ons na Scoilan to Rampech and to fud at Rai shen as tad Rai as tad Geary ginsaga as an Bunsko Gilga Cohen as Hannah Mishiga mush 3 feet patch on shen footing a smooth shen. As tad ginsaga through the hill. As to Adrian Ram Braslin son Sly Airzit. So Colocton, Gorish Banken, as Bill Michelle, as just son slai ons Anne and Jane Ellion so ons Balabeg ons Crit and Murra for the as to slai aller on the yes in Cheshire Gaelg, Culture na Gaelg as tad come up Brastel and the yes. So to mine.
Fel mor yn deinio, gynsach a rhan mae'r geddyn.
Te och hanel wel sin doli fregad de te palcha de a renadrin Ellion nish as to der ko gilgach on so clogri tui shen ko ons tui Jane Ellion as coach and kujak shen ko as tammy goyle ren mershi ko shen as vision Stuart Cani Kizik as to shin goyle ren in Seville as to Ramsite to goyle ren as to na petchen ginsig shen on some skolin in yes Gaelg as to ginsig a ren in Seville of Benton Missionalian yes as to shen ger Sylvians
Agus rhaw gilg yw trefau eig.
Haraw Gaelg
Haraw.
Well could the raw dunya and is it Leslie Quirk as Henke gus and Ballybeg to me como fisted fegus up at the mother as Rennie Ginsig de sly ons gen me worry me Shanna me parent and for the as me neburen ach haraw me Ginsig mona just come the henya a stu me shan ach tre hek me rash gus an alien Logan Olive Squirrel did me Ginsig the camp so hamigus Brastel and ons Ballybeg as Remy go toshicht go the ren so Gaelg in the secretary cabin Merish Kujin Kuja so
Wel, ta manris ar an dy fel siwawn, at sa gyda mai môr yw.
na beg